Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Let's get back to this paper, people. On an every single day basis, this is what I tell y'all, man. This is why I do the channel. This is just gonna be a one-on-one talk. I'm just gonna talk to you guys. Teach you guys how to get the free Echo. Where I put it? The free Echo dot I got over there. I'm gonna teach you guys how to get that. I just want to talk to you guys real quick before I put you guys on how I got that for free. You guys got to understand, every single day, you want to be better than you were yesterday. What does that mean? You want to be more alert than you were yesterday. You want to be more on point than you were yesterday, right? You want to be more aware of what's going on than yesterday. So you want to have a sense of urgency, people. All right? You want to have a sense of urgency. I don't care what the age is. I have teenagers hitting me up. I have people in their 20s, people in their 30s, 40s, like all ages hitting me up. All different times of the day, all different times of the year. Like, just, yo, thanks, bro. Appreciate it for teaching us how to do this. I use this every day. This, that, and the third, it helps me out. Like, you guys have to just implement something. Even if you don't use my system, still, just whatever you're doing, implement something to create a stream of income every single day. All right? So, people, it's free online money maker. You know how to do this quick video. How to get this Amazon Echo dot for free, people, for free. All right, how to get this dot for free. All right, so super long day. All right, people, I'm about to go do a 7-Eleven run, go get me a nice little coffee, and I'm about to go crazy tonight, people. All right, I'm about to do at least I'm trying to do at least 2-3 videos tonight. All right, so Amazon Echo dot. All right, free. I had it in the box. My girl opened it, thought it was hers. Whatever. She's just, you know how women are, right? So she just opened it. She thought it was like, yo, what is this? What you buying stuff and leaving the box here? Because I didn't do the video ASAP, so she opened it. All right, Echo dot. All right, how to get your free Echo dot. Super simple, all right, people? Super simple. Free online money maker, right? I teach you how to make money online for free, right? So if I teach you how to make money online for free and something costs $5, $10, come on now, right? So I'm not telling you just go online and do that. I'm not telling you to do it like that, right? This is what I'm going to tell you guys to do. You're gonna go on XM Sirius Radio, alright? XM Sirius Radio, alright? You're gonna go on Google. You're just gonna Google XM Sirius Radio, and you're gonna put free Echo dot. Alright? Now you probably have to search around for a little while because they have some that's for $5, some for $10 or whatever. It should be free. I think I got mine free. All I had to do is pay, I think, $1 for shipping or something like that. I think it was $1 or $2 for shipping or something like that. But yeah, once you do that, and you go into there, they have some of them that's paid. If you want to do a paid one, just, make $5 on free online money maker and get a free Echo dot. All right? All you got to do is sign up for a 3-month subscription for XM Sirius Radio, and you can cancel at any time. So even if you don't want to wait the 3 months, you can cancel. I'm going to use the whole 3 months. Then I'm going to cancel, all right? So this is how I really started my channel, like just getting free stuff and signing up to free different offers on an every single day basis. And I used to just cancel the free offer trials and stuff like that, and you just end up getting free stuff. So it's pretty cool. So free Echo dot, definitely need a speaker, another Google speaker. That's pretty cool. So definitely check that out. All right, go to Google. XM Sirius Radio is having a promotion where they're giving out free Echo dots if you sign up for a 3-month subscription. The 3-month subscription is absolutely free. It comes with the Echo dot. Once you sign up for the subscription, in about maybe 10 hours, 15 hours, something like that, they're going to send you an email. They give you the code to get the Amazon, to get the Echo dot. Once they give you the code, all you got to do is go to Amazon. You type in the code that they give you. They give you a free code. You just type in the code that you press enter. Everything comes up free. Free Amazon dot. They're going to send it right to your house and everything. I think all you got to do is pay $1 or $2 for shipping or something like that. And that's all you got to pay. Alright, so Amazon Echo dot, why not? Right? Why not get one of these? It is free. I told you, I teach you guys how to make free money online. So if you make $3, because I think they had one, I think they had a trial for $1. I didn't choose that one. Trial I chose was free. It was free trial. But they had a $1 trial, they had a $5 trial. They had a lot of different trials. Only reason I did this about 3 weeks ago. Only reason I didn't do this video immediately, because when I went to go check, I couldn't find no more free offers. And you know me, people, I be wanting to do everything free. I couldn't find any more free offers, so I got upset. So I stopped looking and I didn't do it. But one of my other friends told me that they had did it too. I got one friend that just keeps doing it over and over. He probably got like 20 of these, right? He just told me, like, you just gotta keep searching on the web for it. Just keep searching for it. You're gonna find a link that has the free Amazon, all right? The free Echo Dot, all right, people? So it's free Echo Dot every single day, people. And what you can do is, yo, I don't need an Amazon Dot, blah, blah, get it and sell it. How much does it cost? $15, $20, I think. This costs $30 or something. Retail price. Brand new Echo Dot. Go sell this on one of the on eBay or something like that, if that's the case, right? There's always ways to make this money, people, on an every single day basis, people. I'm kicking, I'm scratching, I'm clawing. You see me landscaping, you see me doing whatever I gotta do on and offline on an every single day basis, people. Why? Because I'm hungry. I'm tired of working my 9 to 5. I don't want to do that no more. I just want to stay home with my family and be able to earn on this computer, on this laptop from my phone. That's what I want to do, people. This is my dream. Alright, this is the reason why I keep doing these videos for y'all, because I want like-minded individuals like you guys to come help me. Help each other. Let's help each other. I'm not saying just help me like that, but let's help each other. Alright, like I want this so bad it's not even funny, people. To wake up in the morning, to know that you don't have to rush to work, to wake up the next 20 days, 30 days, 100 days, 300 days, 10 years from now, every single day you wake up, you don't have to go to work. Like, you could just do what you want to do. Or your 9 to 5 consists of being on a computer, or your 9 to 5 consists of having your own restaurant or having your own whatever you have. As long as it's yours, you could provide for your family. If something happens to you, you could pass it down to family. You could pass it to your kids. You could pass it to a nephew or niece, whatever, right? I can't pass my warehouse job to anybody, right? So I have to wake up. This is why I do what I do every single day, people. This is why I need one of these, right? Because I'm not about to spend money for one of these. I'm not going to. I need a speaker. I do need a speaker too. My speaker just broke. I forgot my other speaker. My other speaker just broke. But I'm really trying to help y'all every single day. But I got this for free. You understand? If they cost $1, $2 for shipping and stuff for free, and then XM Sirius Radio, I think it's 2 months. I'm gonna check on my account. I think it's 2 months. I'm gonna cancel that. Y'all know me, people. Y'all know I don't play no games. So, like, I'm really trying to help y'all on an everyday basis. I really want y'all to understand that you gotta create a stream of income. My YouTube channel is a stream of income. All these different sites I show you is a stream of income. Why? Because something's getting in there every single day. Every single day. And even if it's not every single day, a stream of income really, you should be counting it by monthly. You shouldn't really be counting by daily. You should count it kind of like yearly, honestly, but monthly is a good, but you should really count it yearly, but monthly is a good, estimate. I just do it daily because I realize once you go with daily, you turn, instead of getting paid every 2 weeks, instead of getting paid every Friday, why don't you get paid every day? It don't have to be the whole check, but let me get something, right? It don't have to be a whole $200 check or $150 check from a 9 to 5 job or whatever. It don't have to be that. Let me get $8 today. Let me get $14 today. You know what I'm saying? Let me get $32 today. Just today. Like, let's not, right? And then little by little, we're gonna level up in our different streams of income and our assets that we have, and we're gonna make that mix, right? Landscaping, just did a couple houses, make a couple dollars off that, right? That's a stream of income, people I never had. I would have just been sitting at home doing whatever. Instead, no, I wake up early, I go out, I do what I gotta do, and I make some income. I create. You have to create a stream of income, right, people? You gotta create so you can start doing whatever you want. Like this, even if I had money, I still getting. If I found out this, I'm still getting this for free, people. I'll give these out. I'll get a whole bunch of these for free and give them out as gifts, right? My brother, mom's, dad, whatever, right? Cousins, friends, right? You gotta start getting smarter, people. You gotta start implementing these different things that I'm trying to teach you with on an every single day basis. Next couple videos are gonna be insane. I'm doing a lot of videos like this, but they're gonna be more detailed, pen and paper style. All right, people. Like, I'm really trying to change the game. As far as really just letting everything out, as far as everything that I've learned that changed my life, people. I used to be struggling, check to check, every single day, $1.14 in my pocket. I have nothing every day. Why? It's not because I'm just like super broke and just can't. No, it's bad habits, bad money habits, people. doing the wrong thing all the time, right? Not thinking that I'm going to live for the next 20 years. Not thinking I'm going to live for the next 30 years, right? Thinking like, oh, YOLO, we live for today. Nah, it can't be like that. You got to set up a foundation. Same reason why you put food in your fridge for tomorrow, for the next day, for next week, right? That's why you put food in there. If not, then you would have just go buy food every day, right? And just eat every day or whenever you get it. So you got to set stuff up for the future, people. It's not a rush. You can't rush. It's not going to happen overnight, all right? We're going to get this done, people, all right? Echo Dot, I'm about to open this, use this up. I'm about to really use this up. I want to see how loud it gets. 3rd generation, so it should be all right. Power adapter in here. Let's open this bad boy up real quick. My bad, people. Open this bad boy. I know y'all already know what an Echo Dot look like, right? Me, people, I don't buy none of this stuff. I hope y'all understand what I do with my... I wish I could just show y'all stuff. Let me show y'all my phone. Look at my phone, people. Look at my phone. Let me make sure nothing crazy on that. Look at my phone, people. Look at my phone. Look at my phone. Look at my phone. People, this phone, what is this? This is an LG. This is an LG, people. I don't got no iPhone, no Galaxy. What is this? This is an LG, people. And the cover's stuck on there too. This is an LG phone, people. I got crack in the screen, everything. Look at this. I don't spend money on stuff like that, people. I will when I get it. Don't trust me. I am a real tech guy. I like flashy and expensive things, right? But I can't do that right now. I have mouths to feed. I have a house. I have a lady. Like you can't do that right now, right? Every time I spend money is to earn money. The only reason I spent $2-3 is because I needed speakers. It's free speakers, $2, I think, for shipping. It's a free speaker, right? So I never spend money unless it's for literally something that's going to be of use. If it's an essential food for family, whatever, all right, cool. Pantry in the house, refrigerator, freezer, yeah. Anything else after that? Sure. It's a real decision make before we buy it. Why? Because it's not making me money. I need to spend something that's making me money. That's it. Point blank period. All right? It's real sleek. Real sleek and nice. This is a nice little... Let's see what else is in here. And like I said, people watch when I get my money up. I'm going to be doing unboxing videos too. Reviews. I'm going to be doing reviews, people. Just showing y'all what products to get and what not to get because they be all types of goofy stuff. They got the adapter here. Pretty big adapter too. Surprisingly big. Let me take this adapter out. Got a plug right here. Let's plug this bad boy in. Ah, pretty cool. Alright, now I guess I gotta hook it up or whatever, I guess. Pretty smooth, people, pretty smooth. Alright, free Echo Dot. Alright, free Echo Dot. Go to try XM Sirius Radio. Put free Echo Dot promotion. Just do a little search on Google. Search around, look for the $1 link. Oh, it's vibrating and everything.
Hello. Your
Hey.
device is ready for setup.
Hey, what's up?
Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay, give me a second. Give me a second. All right, mama, give me a second. All right, so like I said, people, Echo Dot. People, keep grinding. Keep getting this money. People, I started from zero, nothing, 0 subscribers, 0 everything. I just learned how to earn $5, $10, $15 online every single day. I posted it, I documented, I help people, and now look where we're at, right? So you gotta understand that it's very, very powerful to help people. It's very, very powerful to learn what I'm doing because you could use it. You could use this for life. You could teach somebody else how to do it, and you could just keep going. These sites that I'm using, if something ever happens, there's gonna be more sites. So it's always going to be more and more. So don't ever think like, oh, it's gonna run out. It's never gonna be. These companies have billions of dollars. They don't mind spending this money, right? You just gotta know. Once you know, you can do things very, very different. All right. So it's free online money maker. You see the Amazon, the Echo Dot. I probably gonna give it to my lady anyway. She already opened it. You know what I'm saying? So I probably just give it to her, let her do her thing. All right. And then if I like it, I'm gonna just go on XM Sirius Radio, get another one. All you gotta do is use a different email and get another one, people. So it's free online money maker. Do what you gotta do on your spare time. All right. Get this money, get these free stuff, alright? Echo Dot